but this ring light is so bright. Like, it's too bright. Like, my head hurts. Just for you guys. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited today, you guys, because I'm going to be showing you guys how I take my Instagram pictures, as you can see in the title below. But no, you guys, seriously, I just woke up. It's like 1 p.m. in the afternoon. I ate, I showered, and now I'm ready to take my Instagram pictures. I was very lazy when I woke up. I didn't think I was gonna do it anymore, but as a content creator, as a fashion designer, which is where my expertise is, thank you, and as a beauty guru, I have to produce content all the time. It's just my nature, it's my lifestyle, is who I am, you know what I'm saying? So I'm just gonna show you guys the process that it takes me to get these lavish pictures on Instagram, which is a social network that I primarily like to use other than YouTube. So if you haven't followed me there, make sure you do right now. PDADO. The first and foremost, I shower, I eat, I make sure I'm energized, because this is a work day as well, and then I pick up my outfits. I'm gonna show you guys the outfit that I picked out. I pre-picked it out. I would like to go through my sample rack with you guys and just see everything that I have, but that's just for a whole nother video. It takes me so long to choose an outfit because I design all of them, so it's like yeah. So I'm just gonna go, I'm gonna show you guys my outfit, and then I'm gonna go into hair and makeup because I'm looking crazy. So see you guys in a second. I really wanted to show you guys my makeup tutorial, makeup process, because I'm getting so much better at makeup. I haven't been that good, so I'm hyped right now. But I've been cooking while getting ready, and it was just too much of a hassle to do. So here's just me baking and adding some bronzer. But when I'm ready to take my pictures, I do my makeup full blown, because you don't want to have to edit too much. You want your skin to look flawless, period. So I am going to be wearing this beautiful mink fur crop jacket that I redesigned ages ago, and I also made the matching, it's called a fur boa for the head. I made a real diamond blinged out one. It's really cute. That's gonna go on top of it. And then I have these diamonds here that I'm going to wear across my breast. And I'm going to bling out some diamond earrings. I'm just going to be diamond out, you guys. Bling, 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 bling. And of course, my earrings are part of the DéHaras collection. This is Amare, and she's going to be available on the website, you guys. Get into it. This is the entire outfit, you guys, because I don't plan on doing a full body shoot. I'm just going to do a headshot, okay? So this camera just shows way too much detail. Like, I know you guys can see that right there. It's gonna have to do. Okay, so I just finished my makeup. My hair is in rollers, flexi rods. You guys know I'm flexi rod queen. I have a video on it. I cannot do anything without my flexi rods because my hair always falls flat. So I'm done my makeup, and now I'm ready to get dressed. I chose to do a little green on my eye. I've been trying to do this like little color eyeshadow thing lately. Like my last video, I had orange on my eye, but this video I have green. I have simple makeup on. I didn't do anything too dramatic. And this green eyeshadow, you guys, this is a BH Cosmetics 2nd edition 120 color palette that I got as a gift, but I know it's on Amazon for like $8, okay? So it was the most affordable and godsend gift. That's why I get all these pop colors, and I don't have to use a lot of it to get it this potent. Like, it really just, it's potent, like, okay? It's like Juvia's Palace potent, okay? It just did not take a lot to get done. Now, before I get dressed, I had to kind of decide where I was really gonna shoot. So I usually shoot in my living room area over here. So I have my backdrop. If I need to sit on a stool, I got my stools if I need to sit and get comfortable. But being that I'm wearing white, I don't want to stand against a white canvas. So I'm going to set up in the bathroom instead. Okay, so I love the walls in my bathroom. It's marble. I love the walls because it's marble, even though it's white. The white against the marble would be just a lot more, you know, aesthetically pleasing than if I was to do white against like white. It just, and I don't want to use a backdrop because the only backdrop I have with me is pink, and I really didn't want to really shoot against a pink backdrop today, especially with green eyeshadow. Like, what are you doing? No, we're not doing that. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna set my camera up in here so that you guys can see how I set up my lighting. I'm gonna put my light box in here, and I'm also gonna put my ring light in here. I just got my ring light. I'll list it down in the description below. It's popping. It's popping. Okay, got me looking banging all the time. So I'm just gonna set the camera in here. You guys could see me setting up. Let me see. Okay, so, okay, let me stop joking around. Okay, so I'm gonna grab the equipment and I'm gonna set it up. Coming right back. Okay, now my lighting is all set up. Now it's time to get dressed. I'm gonna start with putting on my fur boa on top of my head. I don't really need to do too much to my hair because I have a hat on, so it's gonna be perfect. It's just a picture. So I was worried that the green wasn't gonna go with the white, but you know what? Let's just try to be, you know, eccentric. Let's just try different things, new things, and let's see what works. You just never really know. I'm having a difficult time with lighting. I had to move the light box out of the bathroom because it was just taking up too much space. I couldn't move around. I can't get nowhere. I turned off this light, and my camera is on the lowest brightness. My camera is on the lowest brightness setting, but this ring light is so bright. Like, it's too bright. Like, my head hurts. My head hurts. My eyes hurt. I'm just gonna get through this for you guys. Okay, so I'm about to accessorize with my DéHaras Amore earrings, which will be available on the DéHaras website. I love these earrings. I wear them with almost everything. This and L'Amour you'll see on me heavy. Oh, they're beautiful, and like every time I wear them they glisten. Like, this is like probably like the 15th time I've worn these pairs, and they're just as like shiny as like the first day I wore them. They're beautiful. I wasn't gonna wear earrings because I was like, maybe it's like too much, but I just feel like if I don't put on earrings and I take the picture, then I'm probably gonna feel like I should have put on earrings, so I'm just gonna put on earrings. This is the top piece that I'm going to be wearing over my vest underneath my mink fur jacket. I love this piece. This piece is literally brand heritage for me. I designed it and wore it for like my 21st birthday, so it means a lot to me. And then like I've also like used it in a lot of like designs. It also was on BET red carpet on a customer. So yeah, this has heritage, so I really love it. I'm just gonna put it to cover my breast. Let me tuck it in. It's so cold. Ooh. Like it was hanging off of my breast, and then I tucked it into my pants, and it just feels like ice. But my boots, as we all know, are not the perkiest, unfortunately. So I'm just going to go in with some double-sided Scotch tape, and I'm going to lay a long strip of this under my breast, over my breast, and onto my collarbone. I wish I could show you guys, but YouTube might say this is porn. So as you can see that I'm bringing it up right here, and it's double-sided, so I expect this to stick on it just like that. I should use a lot more tape, but I'm not gonna overdo it because it's a picture, and I can always just toot my breast up for the picture. Versus if I were like going out to a party or something, I would have put like 6 or 7 layers of that tape on. So that's in order. I'm gonna move back now so you guys can see. I want my breast to be like sitting up like this. No, but like seriously, like I deserve some breasts. Like I used to have breasts, and then I lost like all this weight, the horrible weight, depression, and I lost my breasts. So anyways, let me get the rest of the outfit. Here's the last piece of the outfit. Period. What's going on? The mink fur doing its debut, giving me straight little Kim vibe. What? Gotta go. My curls just always be dropping. I don't know if it's the quality of this hair. I don't even remember where I got it from. I gotta always keep like my curling iron on deck. It's not my fault if you ever see my hair looking like frizzy or like flattening out. It's not me, you guys. I be trying my hardest to keep it together. Okay. There's this feature on a Canon camera, and when you connect to like the Canon app, you can like take your own selfie pictures, which is what I wanted to show you guys. You know, I could have my boyfriend come in and take it for me, but I wanted to show you guys how to do like the selfie ones, like from your phone. But for some reason, like my camera and my phone will not connect right now, and I've been trying to connect it for like the past like 30 minutes, and I just don't want to keep delaying, like because I'm tired. Like I don't know if you guys hear it in my voice, like I usually have more energy than this. This is how it looks, where you can just connect your camera and then you take the pictures, like whatever. So yeah, it's not working right now, so I'm just gonna do the best I can to film and take the pictures at the same time, and I'll show you the pictures in the video as I take them. Okay guys, so let's get into the pictures. Okay, so I repositioned the camera to the tub area, so I'm standing in my tub right now. I'm barefoot, I'm not with no shoes or nothing, I'm not nasty. Yeah, I'm wearing some Spankies, nothing crazy, and I'm just wearing it just so we can hold the diamonds down in here. Okay, so let's get started with the photos. I'm hot, okay? It's May. I got this chinchilla on. I'm hot, I'm done. Thank you guys for tuning into my channel. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe this video if you wish to, if you care. Thank you for all my returning subscribers. Thank you for tuning in. I love you guys. Mwah, mwah, mwah. This is just a quick video on how I take my Instagram photos. Every time I take my Instagram photos, it's a different scenery, it's a different outfit, it's a different makeup look, different hair. So I just try my best to just be as creative as possible, and I never know what I'm gonna do next. I just kind of just wing it. Yeah, so I wish you guys all luck in taking your Instagram photos. I'll drop down below all the details of all the equipment that I used, and yeah, so thank you guys again, and I said that already. XOXO, love you guys.